Have you ever done something kind for someone you love and felt like it barely registered? Maybe you go out of your way, you help, you show up, you care. But instead of feeling appreciated, you feel invisible. If that sounds familiar, this video is for you. Feeling underappreciated can hurt deeply, especially when love is still there. And today, we're talking about why this happens and how small changes can bring warmth back into your relationship. Feeling underappreciated doesn't always come from big problems. Sometimes it's the small things. You cook dinner, but no one says thank you. You listen, but it feels unnoticed. You make sacrifices, but they go unspoken. Over time, those moments add up, and slowly appreciation turns into resentment. At its core, appreciation is about being seen. When we don't feel acknowledged, we start questioning our value. We may think, does what I do even matter? Do they notice me at all? And that emotional gap can feel lonely, even when you're not alone. Here's something important to remember. Feeling underappreciated doesn't always mean your partner doesn't care. Sometimes they don't realize how much you do. Other times they show love differently. And sometimes they assume you already know. But appreciation needs to be expressed, not assumed. One of the simplest but most powerful ways to heal this gap is saying thank you. Not quickly, not automatically, but intentionally. A sincere thank you tells someone, I see you, I value you, you matter to me. Appreciation doesn't have to be grand. It lives in the little things, noticing effort, acknowledging consistency, recognizing care even when it's quiet. The more you notice, the more love you start to feel again. Life gets busy, stress gets loud. That's why some couples schedule time for appreciation. It might feel awkward at first, but it works. Set aside time to say what you're grateful for, share what you've noticed. Let appreciation be intentional, because love thrives when it's nurtured. Here's a gentle question that can open doors. What made you feel loved this week? This question shifts the focus from what's missing to what's meaningful, and it helps both people learn how to love better. Feeling underappreciated doesn't mean you're asking for too much. It means you're human. You deserve to feel seen. You deserve gratitude, and your efforts matter. Sometimes all it takes is a few intentional words to bring love back into focus.